But मैंने उनको कहा था that the main lead, the one who's working here, is actually trying to get money to make bathrooms in his college, because the fundamental reason why women don't go to go to schools in rural areas is because there are no bathrooms for them. And that is why we got that location free. So thank you, and got it free, and we got to shoot the UN where most people in the world will not enter and not even get security clearance to do. So this is the power of your writing, Chetan, which allowed us and inspired us to get not only path away, but also it was morally so high that we could get one of the most iconic locations in the world to shoot at. So thank you very much for that.
Thank you.
So yeah, I think fundamentally,
Sorry, that's the character of Madhav Jha.
yeah, that's.
Sorry, that was not getting it. I'm really sorry.
No, but it's exactly. I'm very, very happy that these are the anecdotes that are coming out. We've actually not spoken about these things when we do all the conversations about promoting the film. Actually,
Yeah, exactly. Everyone wants to talk about the fun and
yeah,
the
First
filmmaking.
First Indian movie to be shot inside United Nations, inside the.
And I
building.
got to sit in that place where people go to make the world a better place and actually be able to do something that actually matters in terms of the character's point of view. It was not just for show.
But that's how selfless Madhav Jha's character is.
And that's where his love also comes in. See, at the end of the day, that is the personality and character that he is. But when he loves also, it's a very different kind of love. He is never asking or begging for reciprocation. He understands this girl. He somewhere gets it, and that is why she feels so comfortable around him, even though he hails from a different, complete diaspora of society, where you would say, "Aisa kaise ho sakta hai?" But like she said, she craves something simple, and Madhav actually happens to be one of the most simple, honest, and straightforward people she comes across in maybe a sort of fake world where everybody wants something out of one another. He is not that kind of person. And he's really very, very honest. I mean, there is a line in the film that is there which comes from the introduction sequence. When I do talk to the principal, my interview gets over and the principal says, you know, you seem sorted, but your English is weak, so let's see if you get admission or not. And Madhav understands, he gets up, he's about to leave, and he turns around and he comes back. He looks at the principal and says, sir, छोटा मुंह बड़ी बात, लेकिन एक बात कहना चाहेंगे. आप एक समझदार छात्र को लेना चाहेंगे या कोनो ऐसा छात्र को जो दूसरा देश का भाषा बहुत बढ़िया बोल लेता है. And somewhere that's a very big thought for a writer to be able to put in through one character. It is a thought that is something that exists in India across. He's made it Bihar. It could have been Gujarat. It could have been Karnataka. It can be Andhra Pradesh. This is a problem we all face, and we have all been that principle also, where we have said, क्या पता यार English तो ठीक से बोलता नहीं, अब इसके, you know, let's not give him importance. A person who's speaking English, yeah, he's sorted, he's intelligent. We must pay attention to him. And that's, for me, that really took me in. Like, this is a story that will touch, I know for a fact, each and every Indian, because they've all faced this language being a barrier, where हिंदी से ज़्यादा इंग्लिश पे बहुत ज़्यादा प्रेशर डाला जाता है, because all your jobs coming from English. You are forced to think about English medium from a very young age. Even parents who not studied would always tell their children, नहीं हिंदी medium मत, but English. Here's a boy who speaks as it is, even though he knows that he can't speak English. He said exactly what most people would have the fear of saying. So Madhav Jha is a very, very special character. I'm very fortunate to get to play him. And I know it sounds very cerebral when I'm talking right now, but these are the small things that define a character and make him connect and resonate with people when they're watching. So I hope that happens because it's very well crafted by both of them, him as a writer, him as a director who's taken the material. And through entertainment, through the love story, it also deals with all the upheavals that people face in society in terms of the heartland of India. And that's a very big section of our audience that we tend to negate from time to time. So I'm very, very happy to play a character that I feel will resonate with majority of India, not the minority of India. So that's a good thing.
To add to that, I have actually a confession to make. As Chetan just brought up before, when he talks about how everyone in a book, when they read it, and they always judge that who should really be acting in the film for this role and who should be doing it for this role. I haven't really ever told Arjun this. I think this is the right platform, because considering this is a book and we're comparing it to what some people think who should have acted in this role, and I'll tell you why Arjun was my choice. Arjun very smartly actually called me to meet him. He was shooting for another film and he was shooting in Bandra, so मैं उनको गया मिलने और बैंड में बैठा था. And to be honest, I have a confession to make. I prejudged him before I met him. I prejudged him to be a boy who's never taken anything seriously in his life, never went and studied, but came from a big producer's family, got a launch in a big studio, and has found his way to success. So how will he appreciate the kind of character Madhav Jha has to be? But spending that time with him in that room, see, I was not looking for a person who belongs or has a language or belongs to Bihar or something like that. I needed the emotional impulse what Madhav Jha had. Arjun Kapoor is a person who's been brought up, I mean, although his father's been with him, but he's been brought up by his mother solo in his house. A mother of his who's been somebody I have respected and worked in a studio of hers, and has single-handedly in a male-dominated society given him the values that of a mother who's brought up her son and how to respect a woman. He was, as he keeps joking, that do you have a girlfriend when he was younger? He keeps saying, I never had a girlfriend. I was too unfit at that time to get a girl. Okay, he keeps joking about that. But somewhere he worked hard. He was not good at studies. And he worked hard, he lost the weight, and he got launched not in his father's banner, but in one of the studios which most of the people in this country would want to get launched at. I got to know that he went and auditioned there, as every other actor in this world would have wanted to work in the studio. What is Madhav Jha? Madhav Jha is a boy who has been brought up by a single mother, who, although a widow living in a society like Bihar, has given him the values of respecting women and going all the way forward. Working, he's not good at studies, so he worked hard in basketball to reach his goal and get into a college like Stephens College. I was looking for emotional impulses like this, which he gave me, and that's the reason he was casted. So if anyone has an issue with that, you should address it to me and think otherwise.
Thank you, Mohit. I honestly have a few more questions, but I think now we'll open the questions to the media now. Thank you.
One by one, please.
यार हाथ नीचे करके तो सवाल कैसे पूछेंगे? हाथ उठा लीजिए फिर हम उठ के जवाब दे देंगे.
Why don't you select who to, or you moderate them?
या जी सर. हाँ.
अर्जुन आपसे सवाल है जैसे कि आपने कहा तो कि वो हिंदी मीडियम बच्चा आपको लगता है जो हिंदी मीडियम से पढ़े हुए बच्चे होते हैं वो हीन भावना से ग्रसित होते हैं क्योंकि वो अच्छी इंग्लिश नहीं बोल पाते तो जॉब नहीं मिल पाता तो आपको लगता है उनको ज़्यादा स्ट्रगल करना पड़ता है?
अगर आप बड़े शहरों की बात करें तो जी आई वुड हैव टू अग्री विद यू बिकॉज अ लॉट ऑफ द कॉर्पोरेट जॉब्स आर डिजाइंड इन सच अ वे दैट इट इज अ कंपल्शन दैट यू हैव टू बी एबल टू स्पीक इन सर्टेन लैंग्वेजेस. आप एक सिंपल सा जॉब ले लीजिए वर्किंग इन अ कॉल सेंटर ऑल्सो. आई मीन दैट वुड ऑल्सो नीड यू टू बी एबल टू स्पीक प्रॉपर इंग्लिश. तो डेफिनेटली बट दैट इज द वे सोसाइटी इज. सी इट्स नॉट करेक्ट टू पिन पॉइंट हाउ इट हैज हैपेंड बिकॉज इट्स अ वेरी बिग कॉन्वर्सेशन. बहुत बड़ी बात है ये. कहीं ना कहीं वेस्टर्न सिविलाइजेशन का थप्पा हम पे कई साल पहले भी लगा था.
Yeah, it's the colonial hangover.
Yeah,
The
it is
British,
just-
it was like that. The British Raj के वक्त वैसा था कि if you spoke English, you would get better jobs.
Yeah.
कहीं वो छोड़ के चले गए, पर वो, I mean, to be honest, sir,
Thought process है.
a salesman today in India drives in this May heat from door to door wearing a suit, an Englishman's vest. This is not the weather to wear a suit. Okay, we are dressed to wear lungis and dhotis and we sweat a lot. Similarly, English is not our language, our inherent language. It's not our mother tongue. Hindi is our mother tongue. But it is, if you see a Frenchman talking with an accent and bad English, you will not judge him. It is the colonial hangover that is stayed. And I agree.
And I would just like to say, you know, at the end of the day, we are not trying to say what is good and what is bad, but what is happening in today's day and age, the prominence given to English is allowing Hindi to lose out. That shouldn't happen. That's all. As somebody who's an Indian, I feel very proud कि मैं अपनी मातृभाषा अच्छी तरह बोल सकता हूँ. मैं चाहूँगा कि जो आगे की पीढ़ियाँ आए वो भी अपनी मातृभाषा उसी आसानी से बोल पाए. It should not be a stress for them to be able to speak Hindi. It should be something that is organic. जैसे मोहित कह रहे थे, हम दुनिया भर में जाते हैं तो सब अपनी मातृभाषा बोलते हैं, साथ में इंग्लिश सीखते हैं. तो मैं चाहूँगा कि कहीं ना कहीं वो बैलेंस बना रहे. बहुत मुश्किल है. एक फिल्म द्वारा वो बदलाव नहीं आने वाला, पर एक चर्चा शुरू होती है. उससे कहीं ना कहीं किसी पेरेंट के दिमाग में, किसी बच्चे के दिमाग में, किसी के जहन में ये रह जाती है बात, तो उससे कहीं ना कहीं कुछ परिवर्तन आ सकता है. बट ये जेन्युइनली आई एम श्योर ऑल ऑफ यू विल अग्री, कहीं ना कहीं इंग्लिश मीडियम इज द थॉट व्हेन यू आर पुटिंग योर चाइल्ड इनटू स्कूल. यार एवरीबडी इज वर्किंग. मतलब हर सुबह उठ के वही है कि यार इंग्लिश मीडियम में एजुकेशन कराना है ताकि बच्चे को नौकरी अच्छी मिले. तो वो प्रेशर इंग्लिश का है, पर साथ में मैं दुआ करता हूँ कि हर सिलेबस में हिंदी को उतनी इंपॉर्टेंस दी जाए और हमारे बच्चे हिंदी बोले. आई वॉज वेरी लकी, माई ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स स्पोक इन हिंदी. आई वॉज वेरी लकी दैट आई हैड पीपल अराउंड हु स्पीक गुड हिंदी. माई जॉब रिक्वायर्स मी टू स्पीक गुड हिंदी. पर दैट इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट आई फील टू होल्ड ऑन टू योर रूट्स एंड योर कल्चरल वैल्यूज. यू नो, अदरवाइज हम पूरी तरह इरोड हो जाएंगे कहीं ना कहीं. सो वी शुड ट्राई एंड होल्ड ऑन टू.
किसी का कंटिन्यूएशन है, डू यू थिंक कि इस कंट्री का जो सोल है वो हिंदी में बसता है?
जी, मैं ये बिल्कुल मानता हूँ कि हमारे कंट्री का सोल हिंदी में बसता है. बस थोड़ी सी चाल ढाल बदल जाती है. बिकॉज इन्फ्लुएंस इतने गहरे हैं पूरी दुनिया के। पर अगर आप किसी का भी दिल चीर के देखेंगे या उनको डीप डाउन जाके पहचानेंगे तो कहीं ना कहीं वी आर ऑल वेरी प्राउड टू बी इंडियंस। It is just that with social media, with the education, with just this whole demeanor and whole the city life has obviously evolved and the smaller towns want to catch up. So it's just become a race about कि कौन आगे बढ़ना चाहता है। पर अगर आप झांक के देखेंगे तो सबके अंदर they are all very proud to be Indians at the end of the day. We still get very happy about Diwali. We all celebrate all the festivals. We still get excited and happy when India wins a World Cup. तो वो चीज़ें तो कभी नहीं हटने वाली सर, और मैं दुआ करता हूँ कि वो और भी बढ़ती जाए
सर। एंड ऑल द पार्टीज कभी भी मैं जहाँ गया हूँ, आप
हिंदी म्यूजिक
आप म्यूजिक बजा लो, इंग्लिश म्यूजिक रात में आफ्टर द स्पिरिट्स आर हाई, हिंदी म्यूजिक ही बजता है एंड में।
रायता तो हिंदी म्यूजिक पे ही फैला जाता है।
Are you trying to break the barrier through the film also? Somewhat you shown in the film actually. The continuation of this question actually.
सॉरी
Should I answer that? No,
नहीं, हम हमारी हिंदी ठीक ठाक है, पर उन्होंने इंग्लिश में सवाल पूछा तो इंग्लिश में जवाब दे देंगे। आप पूछ लीजिए सर सवाल।
Are you trying to break the barrier also through this film?
what barrier, sir?
द लैंग्वेज बैरियर।
Yes, because love has no language. I think आप हिंदी में बोले या फ्रेंच में बोले, if you love someone, I think उनको समझ में आ जाएगी। I think that is what I've tried to capture, not break a barrier, but to just say that love has no language.
रियल लाइफ में कितनी बिहारी बोलते हैं आप, या फिल्म के दौरान जब आपको ऑफर
नहीं आप सवाल सुन नहीं पाए लोग। हाँ मैं रियल लाइफ में
Real life.